everyone, Squiglet here. I'm being a really heavy animal. An animal that likes to wallow in the mud. What could I be? I'm a hippo. Shall we squiggle our own hippo? What sort of line could we use? Let's have a look. It's a curved line. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Now it's time to get squiggling. Let's all squiggle the hippo's face. We'll need a curved line for that. I love curved lines. Squiggle one with me. Put your squiggle stick on your squiggle pad. Up, curve over and down. What's yours like? Up, curve over and down. Great. Now let's squiggle the hippo's nose. We'll use a round line to make a circle. There. And two little ears. A smiley mouth with two big teeth. Two nostrils. 1, 2. Two eyes. 1, 2. That's our hippo's face. A big round body. And 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. One beautiful hippo. Shall we meet her? Say the magic words with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make our squiggles come alive.
Hello, I'm Dolores. I'm a dancer, you know.
Hello, I'm Squiglet.
Oh, very good. Thank you.
Oh, are you okay, Dolores?
Yes, I'm just a little tired, that's all, from practicing my dancing at home.
Oh, I see. Where do you live, Dolores?
By the Swimpopo River.
The Swimpopo River? I'd like to see that. Wouldn't you? Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's all squiggle the river. We can use our curvy line again. Are you ready? Up and down, up and down. That's one side of the river. Let's do the other side. There, that's our river. Why don't you colour yours in blue while I squiggle some trees and bushes?
Ah, the Swimpopo River. Home sweet home.
It's very peaceful here, Dolores.
Yes, I wish I could lie here all day, but I've got to keep practicing. Not long until the hippo hop.
What's the hippo hop?
It's the big dance down at the mud hole. All the hippos will be there.
Oh, it sounds like fun.
It should be. But even though I've been practicing, I can't seem to find a dance that's right for me. If only I had a dance teacher.
Well, I'm sure we can find one. Come on.
Oh, fabuloso! My next student. I am Pinky Pitter-Patter, dance teacher extraordinaire.
Great. That's just what Dolores needs. She wants to dance.
And you shall dance, my dear, fabulously.
Oh, thank you.
I've never had a hippo in my dance studio before. It's very exciting. Now watch me. Music!
You're a wonderful dancer, Pinky.
I'm fabulous, dear, fabulous. And you will be too.
Pinky looks amazing in her outfit. I'm not sure I could ever look as good as that.
Of course you can, Dolores. You just need a tutu, like Pinky's.
Oh!
We can all squiggle you one, can't we? Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's all squiggle a tutu for Dolores. We'll need that curved line again. Are you ready? Down, curve round, and up. There. We need the sides of the tutu. 2 straight lines that go out. One this side and one this side. Now we just need the frilly part of the tutu. We can use a loopy line for that. Loop round and round and round all the way along. And a few straight lines coming down from the waistband. One dancer's tutu.
Oh, my very own tutu. Thanks, everyone.
And you look fabulous, dear, fabulous.
Yes, and ready to learn a new dance.
First, we'll try ballet. Music! Now, follow what I do. Step once and twice.
Ooh, ooh,
And up on your toes for a spin.
Whoops!
Oh dear.
Oh, ballet dancing's not right for me. The music's too tinkly.
Not a problemo. There's a dance that's right for everyone, you know. We'll do some tap dancing instead. Music!
That's it, Dolores. Oh dear.
Oh, tap dancing isn't right for me either. The music's too fast.
Oh, so ballet music's too tinkly and tap music's too fast.
And it's almost time for the hippo hop. Oh, I'm never going to find the dance that's right for me.
Don't worry, Dolores. Let's see if we can get a clue from the squiggle pad. Can you hear the type of music that might be right for Dolores? Drumming music. Drums come in different shapes and sizes. Each one makes a different sound. You can hit them with your hands or sticks. They look like they're having fun. Those drums make me want to dance.
Oh, those drums were fantastic. I couldn't stop moving my feet.
My dear, that's a fabulous sign.
If I had that sort of music, I'm sure I could find a dance that's right for me. But where am I going to get a drum?
No problem. We can squiggle one for you. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's all squiggle a drum. We'll need our curved line again for this. Ready? Curve at the bottom and curve at the top. Now some straight lines for the sides. 1, 2. And join them up with another curved line.
I'm going to give mine a zigzag pattern. You can give yours any pattern you like. Zig, zag, zig, zag. I think I'll colour my drum orange. What colour are you going to make yours? There! One beautiful drum. Oh, thanks, everyone! This will be perfect for the hippo hop.
I can play while you dance. We'll be fabulous.
Great! Now where's this hippo hop happening, Dolores? Where all the hippos hang out, of course. At the mud hole. Well, let's go then. Hippo hop, here we come. What are you doing, Dolores? Oh, you have to have muddy feet for the hippo hop. Of course.
Hop, hoppity hop. Hop,
Here come all the other hippos.
hoppity hop.
Hit it, Pinky.
You drop.
What do you think?
Fabulous, dear. Absolutely fabulous.
You look amazing.
What kind of a dance is that?
It's Dolores' very own dance.
The hippo hop bop.
Can we join in?
Of course.
Hooray!
Fabulous.
Whoops. Come on, let's all do the hippo hop bop. Join in.
Hip hop, don't stop. Hip hop, don't stop. Hip hop, don't stop. Stomp your feet, it's the hippo hop bop. Wave your hands in the air. Stomp your feet like you just don't care. Turn around, then stop. Keep dancing. It's the hippo hop bop. Hip hop, don't stop. Hip hop, don't stop. Hip hop, don't stop. Stomp your feet, it's the hippo hop bop. Wave your hands in the air. Stomp your feet like you just don't care. Turn around, then stop. It's the hippo hop bop.
The hippo hop bop never stops.
Thanks for all your squiggles. It's time to go now, but come back to get squiggling soon. Keep on squiggling.
Bye.